Good morning, my Facebook friends and followers. This is Minister Daniel C. Brown. Coming with you with a social cam. Listen, the reunion concert was all that last night. But listen, I'm on my way to minister this morning in music. All my fellow musicians, worship leaders, ministers of music out there. I challenge you today to be involved in the worship experience. Just don't be a hireling, just don't be there giving your gift up, but be involved and participate in actually what is going on. Be involved when the word is coming forth. Be involved when you have nothing to do. Be involved in the worship experience today. Listen, I'm out of here. I'm on my way. Listen, even if you don't have to minister, make it to your local worship experience. Get involved in this service. Listen, I'm out. God bless. Peace. Listen to a little bit of this music before I go.